your hands. Open your hands. That's me open.
Oh, they're tucked away so she can sleep at the minute. You can have a go later. Can I take your picture? Smile at Mummy.
Look, it is. Oh, it's like
Look at Mummy. Look at Mummy. Like her. Look at me. Ah, thank you very much.
Baby, she's sweet. Oh, just look. He's making
What
noise.
did she say? Oh,
He's making noise.
is she? She's very sleepy, isn't she?
Only open your hands.
You want me to let her hands out?
Then hang out.
There we go. There you go.
Oh my. Open your hands. Look. Look.
She got hold of your hand.
It's holding my hand.
Oh.
Look, I got a finger.
And she also suck on your finger.
What's taking my finger? Look.
You have to put your finger in her mouth. Not in her
That's
eye.
how I know.
She's got a little nose, doesn't she? It looks like yours for her nose.
Yeah.
Don't take your hand out.
That's okay. She's got her head on the pillow. Good girl, Leica. Covering your mouth while you sneeze and cough. That's alright, just gotta leave one hand out.
It's got hair. Oh, and it's got hair.
Yeah.
One hair.
Yeah, some of that will fall out too, that hair, before it grows again. When they're little babies.
Yeah, and it can go watch it hair.
Yeah, it takes a long time to grow out, and
Yeah.
some of it will rub off just because it's so little. Fine.
Yeah, he got no hair.
Yeah.
He turned in a puppy.
Oh, like a puppy, yeah.
Yeah. One baby's crazy and puppy. What do I want? Puppy.
Oh.
Look. Oh.
She make a little noise.
Yeah, it just made my nose
Yeah.
like this.
Oh,
It just got lips.
she's got lips, doesn't
Oh.
she? And how many? Oh, how many eyes does she have?
It got one eye, one eyes. It got two eyes.
2 eyes. And how many noses?
It got that in there.
1 nose. And
Oh,
a mouth?
I got mouth. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Okay, this. Look.
She's got tiny little fingers and fingernails, doesn't she?
Look.
They're pretty, aren't they?
The yellow
You want me to take it back?